Hello Year 6, it's Miss Walker here, hope you're all okay. This week's topic is going to be about careers, the job that you might want when you're older, when you've left school, and the path that you might need to take to get to that job or career, okay? We're also going to look at all the different kinds of jobs that are available, okay? From working with animals, to working with machinery, to working with cars, to working with toys, to working with games. There are so many opportunities out there, and hopefully as we go through the week we will be able to have a better idea of what we would like to do when we've left school, whether we will need to go to college, whether we will need a degree and need to go to university. Lots of different options out there and lots of different careers. So Mr. Barker has very kindly given us a couple of links to have a look at, which also might help us decide what we want to do when we're older, okay? So the first thing he's given you is a quiz, and I'm going to take this quiz now and we're going to see if the job that I've got is one that's best suited for me. Okay, I am very lucky that the job I do is the job I wanted to do when I was your age, okay? Not only working in a school, but ultimately I wanted to be a dance teacher, and I'm very lucky that I managed to fulfill my goal and follow my career, and I did become a dance teacher, so I'm very lucky. So we're gonna just do this quiz. Okay, so when you've clicked on your Buzz Quiz link, you will see this screen and we are going to start the quiz. Find out what you're like and what you could do. Oh, exciting. Right, so compare the 5 statements and click in turn on the option that is most like you. So, where do I gain my energy from? Oh, I definitely think before I speak, because if you don't, you can get in a lot of trouble. I generally act carefully, or I know I tend to act quite quickly. I'm a good listener, definitely prefer to blend in, and I tend to work best alone. So I apparently am more of an introvert. Oh, next question. Let's have a look. Let's just put that up a little bit. How do you take in information? I look for the facts or I look for possibilities. I tend to like facts. I look for patterns. I focus on how to make it different, or I focus on what works now. I prefer learning new things. I prefer applying what I've learned, yes. I tend to join in anywhere. I think that's probably right. Saying that, do you know what? I think I'm going to change my mind. I do actually like to make things different, so I think I'm going to go for that one. Oh, change boxes. Oh, that's exciting. Right, let's see what the next question is. So, let's have a look. Let's take that up, 1 second. So, how do I decide things? Oh dear. I tend to follow my heart more than my head. I ask how it will affect people. I ask, is this the right decision? I tend to avoid giving or receiving criticism because I don't like it. I tend to tell it how I see it. I tend to be careful about saying things that upset people. That's a difficult one. I think I do not to upset people. I tend to focus on the people first, then the task, definitely. Definitely. So let's go on to the next one. So you can do all these questions and you can answer them however you feel best suits you. So it doesn't matter. You don't have to answer the same as me. You answer what you think's best. What is your attitude to life? I like to plan and organise. I definitely like writing lists. I definitely like things tidy. I prefer it when I've finished a task. Yes. Yes. But then again, I like to plan and organise. I like to wonder how it will turn out. Yeah, I think that one. Let's have a look. Let's see if there's another question. Oh, let's see what I am. I am a... what is this going to say? I am a seahorse. Let's think about it. Only 2% of the UK population are a seahorse. Seahorses have been credited with deep magical qualities and can also be deep, quiet and imaginative. We'll have to see if Mr. Barker agrees. Seahorses tend to live in warm waters and care for their young. The head shape of a seahorse is as unique as a human fingerprint, and they value their own and others' uniqueness. So the possible job roles: hypnotherapist, sports coach. Now that's quite fitting, isn't it? Because I am a dance coach, I suppose, so perhaps I am in the right job. Conveyancer, a nurse or a writer. Well, I do like writing and I do like reading, so maybe we're all good. So that is something Year 6 that you can do for yourself. And the next link is this one. And basically I'll give you a little guide about this one, but this is a great one you can explore yourself. So you can look at all the different jobs and opportunities just by clicking on these links. So you can look at whatever subject. So if there's a subject